A group of Valley neighbors also taking action together to try to cut down crime in their neighborhood, all thanks to the help of social media.
ABC 15's John Genovese shares how their efforts got a problem house boarded up.
Buckets, bikes, and a workout bench in the driveway.
The front yard just being trashed.
Piles of junk all around.
A lot of people on bicycles.
It didn't take long for neighbors to notice.
Unsavory characters going in and out of there.
For months, people living near 28th Street in Beardsley say this house was home to problems. Beyond a never-ending yard sale, one man says he chased a burglar back to the front door.
We're always looking out because I don't tolerate thieves.
David Zumstein was among dozens using the social media site Nextdoor.com to keep tabs on the house. People started taking photos to document what was happening and give their neighbors a heads up.
It's amazing because you talk to people you never talked to before and find out what's going on in the neighborhood.
Armed with more than 300 responses, they got the attention of police. Last week, the house was cleared out and boarded up, with several people arrested on warrants and put in handcuffs.
We'll just got to band together and fight the crime ourselves.
Thanks to an online tool, Zumstein says around here, someone's always watching.
We work hard for what we own.
John Genovese, ABC 15, Arizona.